Hello everyone, welcome to Next Step Immigration. Hope you're doing great today. Austria is regarded as one of the greatest countries in which to live, with an average monthly wage of 3,800 euros. To migrate to Austria, nevertheless, appears to be much simpler for European nations. To be eligible for residency or employment prospects, non-Europeans must apply for a work visa or a job seeker visa. Similar to the UK, Austria likewise uses a point-based system and offers a variety of categories, including work, student, and tourist visas. What is Austria's job seeker visa? As the name implies, a job seeker visa allows you to go to Austria and hunt for employment. Highly competent non-European nationals who are seeking work in Austria, but do not yet have a job offer, are granted this visa. You can only look for a job on this visa. You cannot actually work on it. Entrepreneurs are also eligible for job seeker visas in Austria. Through this self-employment essential worker visa option, business people are eligible to apply. How long can you stay in Austria on a job seeker visa? This visa is only for 6 months, so if you manage to get a job within that time, you may transfer to their high-skilled workers work visa, known as the red card. What are the eligibility criteria? According to the points criterion system, candidates must get at least 70 out of a possible 100 points in order to qualify for the job seeker visa. Included in this are unique skills and credentials, postdoctoral training, research and innovation activities, job experience, language proficiency, age, studies in Austria, and higher education completion from an institution. On their website, you can read additional information about how to get 70 points. What are the required documents? Birth certificates, evidence of housing possession, evidence of health insurance, evidence of travel documents, passport photos, evidence of financial security, tax returns, evidence of work history, evidence of language proficiency, pay certificates, and employment contracts are among these documents. How do you apply? You must physically apply for a job seeker visa at the appropriate Austrian representative or embassy in your native country or where you reside. On file with the Austrian Representative Authority are application forms. If the Public Employment Service notifies the Austrian Representative Authority that you have accrued the necessary points for entrance, you will be issued a job seeker visa. Depending on the embassy, the processing period for this visa typically takes 2 to 3 months. The cost of a job seeker visa is 150 euros. What are the shortage occupations? There is a national and regional occupational shortage list in Austria. Technicians, construction joiners, train drivers, concrete fitters, pipe installers, electrical installers, carpenters, floor and wall tilers, welders, opticians, building plumbers, bricklayers, etc. are a few of the jobs on this list. The required number of points, 70, for both a work visa and a visa for job seekers is the same. Try looking for employment on various job search engines like LinkedIn, Monster, Glassdoor, and others. If you're lucky, you might be able to obtain your work permit, known as a red card in Austria, right away. That will be all in this video. Please share your opinions with us in the comments area. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and enable the notification bell to receive updates on job and immigration news. Thanks for watching. Good luck.